Introducing the brand new PowerXL Stuffed Wafflizer. Now you can make huge Belgian-style waffles stuffed with your favorite ingredients. Why would anyone eat this when you can eat this? Just pour your batter, stuff it, and pour more on top. And in minutes, you'll be enjoying the best waffle you've ever tasted. What's the secret? We've taken the basic waffle maker and expanded the cooking chamber so it's 3 times bigger. Now there's room to stuff your waffle. Stuff it with cherries or cheesy scrambled eggs. What else can you waffleize? Cinnamon buns and apples with such a sweet center. Waffleized pizza dough with perfectly baked crust loaded with your favorite toppings. Make crescent dough with mac and cheese. So ooey gooey delicious. Waffleized cornbread stuffed with pulled pork. It's a perfect duo. Dip bread in egg and load it with fresh blueberries and top it with more bread for stuffed French toast waffles bursting with flavor. Place your favorite sandwich in and waffleize it. In minutes, you'll be eating ooey gooey grilled cheese to perfection. Forget toasting your bagels. Waffleize them with Canadian bacon and cheese. Place taters, layer your cheese and then bacon, and top with more taters. Oh man, look at this. This is ridiculous. Stuff your stuffing with turkey and gravy, and you'll be looking forward to leftovers. You can waffleize just about anything.